How much should you actually spend on a hiking backpack? It's a little tricky since you can find cheap ones that seem okay, but then some pricier options just sit in your closet. Here's the thing, price doesn't always reflect quality. Let's dive into 5 great backpacks that won't break the bank but will still take your hiking experience to the next level. Product number 1, Maelstrom 40L Waterproof Backpack. First up is the Maelstrom Hiking Backpack. Priced at just $35.88, this bag caught my eye for its impressive 40-liter capacity and waterproof design. If you want a reliable backpack that keeps your gear dry during unpredictable weather, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with a rain cover that fits snugly into a pocket underneath the bag, ensuring your things stay dry when the rain hits. Plus, it has multiple compartments, including a wet pocket for those sweaty clothes after a long trek. With a 4.5-star rating from over 3,400 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate its comfort and functionality. Honestly, the only downside I found is that some users mentioned the straps can feel a bit bulky after extended wear. But here's the thing, if you're adjusting it right, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for those day hikes or weekend getaways. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly and spacious option for your hiking trips. Skip this one if you're planning multi-day treks where you might need a more premium feel and additional features. Alright, that was a solid option. But if the Maelstrom strap issue bothers you, this next one may have the comfort you're after. Product number 2, LHI Military Tactical Backpack. Next, we have the LHI Military Tactical Backpack priced at $27.99. This one really stands out with its rugged design and tactical features. If you want a backpack that can handle the rough and tough, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you. The MAL system allows you to attach additional pouches, making it customizable for any adventure. Plus, the ventilated mesh padded back and shoulder straps help keep you comfortable even on those long hikes. It boasts a 4.7-star rating from over 7,500 reviews, showing it's a fan favorite. On the flip side, some users found the backpack a bit heavier than anticipated. But if you're someone who values durability and doesn't mind a little extra weight, this could work perfectly for you. This is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who love tactical gear or for anyone needing a dependable bag for camping and hiking. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and less tactical. Now, if that weight was a concern for you, the next one is all about being light and packable. Product number 3, One Nice 50L Waterproof Backpack. The One Nice 50L Waterproof Hiking Backpack comes in at $42.99 and is all about utility. If you need a backpack that gives you plenty of space without the bulk, definitely keep this on your radar. Why is this important for you? With its impressive capacity, you can comfortably store your tents, blankets, and cooking gear without feeling cramped. It's constructed from a combination of polyester and nylon, making it resistant to water and tears. The adjustable chest and waist belts allow for a snug fit, which is crucial while hiking. Plus, this model has a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,100 reviews, reflecting its popularity. However, some users noted that it doesn't have as many organizational pockets as they would like. But if you're someone who prefers a more spacious main compartment over countless pockets, this backpack could be just what you need. This is a great option for anyone requiring a large capacity backpack for weekend trips or casual hiking. Skip this one if you love having organized pockets for every little item in your pack. Alright, that one was spacious, but if you're looking for something ultralight, you'll want to check out the next option. Product number 4, MIYCOO Ultra Lightweight Backpack. Next up is the MIYCOO Ultra Lightweight Packable Backpack, and it retails for $19.99. This bag is perfect if you're looking for something that's super easy to carry around. If you want a pack that won't weigh you down but still has decent capacity, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why it's a great choice for you. Weighing in at just about half the weight of a mobile phone, you can fold it into its inner pocket for easy storage. It has a 35-liter capacity, which can fit all your essentials, and features a wet compartment to separate your dry items from wet ones. Plus, it's waterproof with a rating of IPX4, protecting your gear from light rain, making it a real lifesaver. It has a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,300 reviews, highlighting its practicality. Some customers mentioned that the zippers aren't as heavy-duty as they'd like. But honestly, for the price and weight, I found it to be more than adequate for short hikes or as an extra bag for travel. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, packable option for day hikes or travel. Skip this if you need something more durable for multi-day excursions. Now, if you liked the packable idea but want something with a little more structure, the next one is a great alternative. Product number 5, WATRFLY Lightweight Packable Backpack. Finally, we have the WATRFLY Lightweight Packable Hiking Backpack, priced at $22.94. This one is all about function and convenience. If you're seeking a reliable bag that's easy to take along anywhere, you should definitely check this out. Why does this matter for you? It's made with tear and water-resistant nylon, and its spacious 30-liter capacity is complemented by several compartments for organization. Plus, the breathable shoulder straps help keep you comfortable during your hikes. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,900 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its practicality. However, some users felt it didn't have enough padding for longer hikes. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for day trips or as a secondary bag while traveling, you might find it works just fine. This is a great choice for casual hikers or anyone needing a convenient day pack. Skip this if you're planning long treks where you need extra support and padding throughout the journey. So to recap, we've covered the Maelstrom for its waterproof features and capacity, the LHI Tactical for its durability and tactical design, the One Nice for its large capacity, the MIYC00 for being super lightweight, and the WATRFLY for its compactness. Each of these backpacks offers something unique, and all are under $100, making them great options for your hiking adventures. Choose the one that fits your style and needs and let the trails await you.